Hey guys, let's talk about this pending light that you can get on Amazon. As you can see, I have mine here. It's pretty nice and also very easy to install. It comes with everything for the installation. And here you can see the instructions. It's pretty easy to follow and you can get it done in only 20 minutes. All right. Let me just bring this here. You see there's a list with the hardware and everything that you need for installation, including the mounting screws, the mounting plate, wire connectors, and everything else, right? The glass shade is here. It's pretty nice. And I'm going to get it installed. And I have a long cable, so you can just adjust the cable the way you want. And here you also see the instructions for the installation. It's for 120 volts with 60 hertz. And this is UL certified, right? So it's pretty good. And also comes here with the label for the cables. And you also have a ground wire, right? So the installation is very easy. You just get your wire nuts, get it installed, and you have the screws for the mounting plate, and you're good to go, okay? So let's just move to the installation and you see how it works. For the installation, you can adjust the length of the wire. There we go, so it's pretty simple. And then use the screws for the mounting plate. Put everything in place and make sure to tighten up. There we go. Now it's time to use the wire nuts. A light bulb. And there we go. It's working. And that's the way you can see your pending light. It's pretty nice here with extra lights in the environment. As you can see, it's a beautiful one and works pretty fine. And that's the way you can see without extra lights and make some shadows on the wall. So basically it's a pretty nice pending light. It comes well packed with everything that you need, well protected. And that's the way you can see the final installation, okay? That's a very, very good product. I like this one and I recommend it. You can get yours on Amazon. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.